Like I really from the between this NT 1100, this one, my god, the power, man. Woohoo! The power is amazing. Now I can understand Mark, man. Woo! Yeah, man, now I can understand Mark, seriously. Man, what a hell, what a power, man. Okay, that was going down there, but seriously, the only thing I don't like is that here. Like, man, it's too much for me. With the steering here, like it's moving like that, oh, that I'm scared, man. That's why I'm saying that the position could be a little bit more bigger here. I still have like a place where I can put my mobile or recharge my mobile, you know? I like this quick shift. It's first time using a quick shift, guys. But I don't need to give the throttle a little bit back, you know? Man, I like it. I like it. Like, have some stuff that we need to do to make this like be better for me, be passing for me. Like the NT 1100, the only thing I had to do is to find like where to put the cameras. And this one, yeah, I need to find where to put my mobile, where to put my cameras, and why. Because guys, that's not using CarPlay. That's like using like one application from Garmin that I don't like it. Another thing is the wind. The windshield is like nothing. Maybe they have another one, I don't know. But like for this windshield, I don't need to say so much. Man, what the hell? Wow, I like it. Man, I love it. Not I like it, I love it.